Yay! Greggo's here! What? We haven't done any highlights for a little bit. Let's just say not the best day for Greggo today because, oh yeah, okay, me and wiring, you know, we're friends usually. I have a basic understanding, but little details got the better of me today. So yeah, we've just trying to finished old Bentley here. She's just about ready to go home, and then I thought I got to make sure everything works on it, and but we had a couple of issues with lights not doing what they're supposed to, and etc. So anyway, that's not what this video is about. So where, what, when, how, why? So we're up to Miss Peach's. Look at the pop top. The pop top is up. While it's actually, before it goes to the trimmers, I'm just gonna coat the inside in there, probably with a bit of white or something, so that it looks reasonable. I know you have a seal that goes on the bottom of that, but yeah, we'll clean that up. And you don't see any of the rest because you get a material headliner on there, and then you got fabric here, so you only see a tiny bit up there. But anyway, so what have we done? We have lifted the pop top up, 4-person job, and then sit it in place where it's got to go, and then you lift up one side and you put adhesive all the way around. So it's like it's polyurethane adhesive basically, and that glues down. Then you do the other side, then you sort of just sort of any excess you wipe that away, and then you rivet it, drill through the body, rivet it. That's after you've put these screws in. So these screws go up. I've got missing one there. But these screws go into the timber frame that's wrapped in fiberglass, like underneath. So that pulls the roof skin up. But except they don't have anything there, that's normal. But just down the sides there's rows of screws, and that takes care of that. So it's pulled down that way and lifts the skin up that way, and then with rivets going in along here, like so, nice and solid, never come off. Of course, when that top's down, you don't see any of that, but we put sealer around the base. I've seen, I think in the past, they used to do some sort of bloody, yeah, what a good song. Venga boys, get on board. Venga bus is coming. This is going to be a Venga bus. I can picture the owner doing laps of bloody wherever, doing beaches as we used to call them in Warrnambool speak. Yeah, cruising around with Venga bus going, everyone smiling. Little way off that yet, but that's what we're all about, creating the smiles. So, and with this song, I got something to tell you. I've got something to say. News for you, whatever. I don't know the words. God, I just know the dance moves. So yeah, so riveted down, and then this morning re-sealed that edge so that there's no gap there. Sealed all the way around. And that was after we trimmed the edge off that. They've realised over time that that was a design fault, how it sits in the gutter and can trap water. So you're better off to trim that down a bit. So sealed all the way around. So then, yeah, like I said, riveted. Oh, I've got to grind that one down a bit. That's a bit, it snapped off. But what was I saying? So yeah, so we've painted the front dash. It looks pretty bloody good. And like primed all those, everything there, because basically she wants to eliminate quite a percentage of the black there, just about all of it. So so what I've decided I'm going to do is, right, so we've got peach on the dash, and I reckon I'll do this binnacle here in the cream and the glove box lid in the cream. How will that look? You tell me, how will that look? I think it'll look awesome. So because on the dash top that we've painted, we've got the little vent pieces in the cream and on the peach, so it's going to look peachy keen, I suppose. So yes, that's all done. So tomorrow I can basically mask up the dash and paint the other things. And when I've got the cream out for that, I'll hit this here. So what we do is, like, you just mask off all the top part. You know, you're just painting more than you have to, and then repaint in the gutters there. So it ends up getting like a double layer of paint, paint over the sealer. Yeah, and all that. So that's all cool. So there ain't going to be any water issues in the future, and that's a good thing. So not much left to paint now, so that's good. Yeah, I won't talk too much tonight. It's already 6.5, almost 7 minutes of me talking about Miss Peaches, but that's what it's about. So Miss Peaches, you're really coming along. So I'm gonna hit, the last of the painting tomorrow, and then we're gonna try and organise getting all the fit out stuff that you need for the front doors, felts, all the aluminium seals, get all the quarter windows in, blah blah blah. And so before fitting the doors, get all that stuff, so you can, well, that's the way I prefer to do it, is just to lay it on a stand and fit everything out like that. So as you were, talk to you later.